Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a big advice for you, and that advice is when trying to arrange songs for fingerstyle guitar or for solo guitar, do not focus or do not try to arrange more than one song at a time. And the reason why I'm saying that is because right now as I speak to you, I feel so free. I feel so free because for the past couple of months I've been trying to arrange, I think, 3 songs at a time for solo guitar, and it has not been funny at all. Like, it has been stressful. I've always, throughout those couple of months, I've always felt like there's a huge weight on my shoulders. Like I'm carrying like this huge load. And one thing I notice is that whenever I try to arrange a song, like when I'm trying to arrange one of the songs, I'm not fully focusing on that particular song because I'm always like, I have so many other things that I need to do. So let me just get this over with and move to the other ones. And it takes up like a lot of my time. But right now, for the past couple of days, I've noticed that by just focusing on just one song, like I said, I felt freer than ever, and I've been able to spend much time to focus on the nuances of the song that I'm trying to arrange. So that is my advice to you. When you're trying to arrange songs for fingerstyle guitar, focus on one song at a time. Take it one song at a time, and then, I think you are going to enjoy the results. Like the results that you're going to get, they're going to be phenomenal. And by the way, I first had this advice from Tom Emmanuel, and he said, like, when you're arranging a song for fingerstyle guitar, don't play any other song. Don't play any other thing but that song. Focus solely on that song. But of course, I did not take the advice, and this is where it has landed me. But thankfully, I took the advice, and I'm seeing the results. I'm seeing the benefits. So focus on just one song, and I think you like the results that you get. So that's it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video like this, you're always notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, and take care.